Honda EU 2200i. Finally I got it. So today we are going to unbox it and put the oil in it, put the gas in it, download the app and demonstrate all this stuff together. So here we are. This is the box. It's not opened yet, and we are going to unbox and starting it. So we are going to have fun with this generator. Pretty quiet, pretty nice, not big. So you guys gonna see adventures with this in the future. So I will be putting reviews with it as well. Let's do it. So we're gonna unbox. Manual. And the generator. Let's take it out of the back. Pretty beautiful and nice. Here's the front side of it, the plugs, on and off, echo, Bluetooth, and all the fancy stuff. This side, just pull steer and on and off. The chuck. This side is the exhaust, and this side is just for service and for the plug. So I'm gonna put the oil in it, I'm gonna put the gas in it, I'm gonna download the app, and then we're gonna go from there. For the oil, I had this one at home. I'm gonna use this one. Is SW30 and is full synthetic. I'm gonna just use it for the generator. So yep. So we're gonna start opening the backside to put the oil. I'm gonna just use the flathead screwdriver, and just, you know, and like so till I see it's completely loose. Put it aside. This is the oil side. Just gonna open it up, put it aside. I got a funnel. We're gonna use this funnel to guide the oil in. And first of all, let's open the oil. I'm just gonna use the full synthetic, even for my car, for the generator I have, and full synthetic, it just makes the engine runs better, smoother, and has less harm on it, I can say. So let's proceed and then put the oil in the engine here. Let's see how it goes. So in the manual it says till the oil comes all the way to the filler, I can say. Not overdo it. So I'm gonna just be patient with it till this I can see there's enough oil. I'm gonna use the stick to make sure. Okay, looks like I'm dropping some oil here, which is normal. Okay. Use the stick. Just be patient with it because it is plastic. You don't wanna stress the threads on the stick. Looks like we have enough oil here. I can see the oil. Let's clean it up and then pour some gas in it. So after cleaning it up, just put the stick back in. I'm gonna do in reverse what I did. Put the screw back, and then I'm gonna put the gas in it right here. Let's not forget about the oil. We're gonna use it for other times again. Put it aside for now. Now is the time to put gas. Very easy and simple. Just open it like this. I have some gas. I might just not fill it up all the way up because it's just for demo for today. So I'm gonna put some gas in here. Close it back up. And indicators is fully closed. So after putting oil in it, which is like a brand new generator, and I made sure the oil level is legit, and we have to make sure double check something and then start the generator. First of all, you come up here, you want to see this indicator goes to the on position, which is right here. It says on, and then down here you make sure it says on, and here the choke to start running it, just put it on the drag it to the front, and then we're gonna start pulling the engine. So let's start it and see how it goes. So for the Bluetooth connection, I'm gonna download the app My Generator. Which is Honda My Generator. Get it. And download it. And here we are. So after downloading the app, I just actually connected and run it, and it smoothly runs. So right now I'm gonna start the generator, and I'm gonna demo here how I can control the generator through my phone. So let's start the engine, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I'm operating the generator off of my phone, and also I see the services here too. Let's do it. So I'm gonna again go back to on position, then go back to on position and pull the chuck and start it. Directly the generator connected to my phone right now here. So here I can see it's pretty brand new generator. So here I can actually turn it off by holding this running position and just, turn it off. Let's see. Right on. So here I'm gonna get some notification. You see, I have to make sure I'm gonna do this, guys. So I'm gonna go back to the generator. I'm gonna turn this valve to off and this key to off, and it should be it. So it goes to off. So I completely control the generator off of my phone.